So you smell here this upper and face. Put it something like this is what is the next condition? There's is a possibility. So open would be must be further case here case. So this cooling unit really has to be cool at the bottom enormously. But what happened here it is enormously. How enormous is supposed to enough enormous? How it is certainly something doesn't leak anywhere in case anymore. There's no leaks here. Here, how about this? Okay, this is always so kind of a better coming out. You should have liquefied the gas. Is there a possibility to keep it on? Remember, this water nevertheless leak for after issues, so you're never sure about where this water leak come from. Have to be very careful about it. The day activity. So yourself, let's putting it this kind of way about it. Let's think about it. Putting it there. It smell friendly face, but how strong is this preferable gas? Okay, so that's very good because the coilant here is very cold. Okay, I recognize that. But how about here? It's very hard to say about it. So it's still keeping about it. There is no pressure about it here. Think about it, the gas, it is the transition through that. Well, alarm is never a case. It's the temperature here, I guess, around. Not really say about that. He might be know about what the case is problems here. You know every possibility is around, and you will find out. One thing is he doesn't eat around. Why he allows himself this kind of a condition, situation, whatever situations here these rewards happen anytime, anywhere. Why he allows himself as those things happen, occurring about it. What's this kind of idea about what should be eaten right now at this moment around? Okay, here it is, okay, so he becomes himself that kind of a food product, so speaking it. But the most important factor about here also, apart from consumption of a few products here, we also operate one of the main targets around here. There's some kind of a water. Is careful about the stepping about this kind of a plateau of water. Needs to be really taken care of. Removal of this water masses here. Okay, so I care about myself with the knowledge about myself. There's a water mass need to be from floor to clear out because there's massive amount of the water. Okay, so needs to be just taken away from completely. And that's what's the issue here. So let's answer the clock. And well, answer is we will patient. Question about how many kilos peppers you need to take it to about it. Okay, here's about the patient. This okay, let's go to kitchen around here. It is how the toilet station. They go all the way. Just all of them away. And that's go with this. Let's see the look around. What really is. Those leaves are out here. Just need to take care of okay, all the leaves. There's water, must be come out, but there's no paper, okay, so you trap all of them away. Just trap the water over here. You know, it's number one. You have these thousands of what do you think about it? Are you changing something around it? Be careful and look around it. So they get tired about the system, and they will be actually too not divided about it. We'll have to leave it, but you know, the life of the nuts and all. Some cases they are not ready to stop anything. Then there's a kind of physical you could do about it, depending on the person. What will the life have been for and possible occasion, the cushion. So let me transition this away. We live other thing. There's a lot of water here. If we travel away, we should be traveling away. Okay, so better. It's the water. Okay, so I just realized something. So how can we make hours of different kind of the wheels? Okay, so we're talking about the Frenno cars. So what I think about Frenno cars are where I talk about like where this camera is telling me. I see about the floors when I do food, when I do job. How about how this video because evidence should be some other things to put these faces there in the screen. Okay, how about the mirroring effect? Just wonder what a mirror is. Well, there needs to be have an introduction of I guess alright. There's a huge lot of different things in there. So there was less different things nevertheless. It's still quite a therapy, quite a not so neat and nice but that's the way how things work around. Look is one thing. There's many other things to do in life, but I just look carefully about this occasion. So you can see it was about food items. And we will be going that forward direction right now on. Meanwhile, okay, so remember occasion not too long around the animals. So you get away from something regardless. I'm getting all kind of chops around, all the kind of textbooks around here. So we do need occasional. Any four reactions negative tre propati finisce pula e qui la conservative. Allez, il y a une continuation intersticipale dans l'addition. Allez, c'est bien, je sais pas cuisiner. Allez, oh, c'est pas papillon de nouvelle à propienne. J'aurais vu ici la manière. Allez, la petition, c'est la papillon, je sais pas cuisiner. La caractéristique, quoi? Jamais c'est les pitillons, j'ai caractéristique, quoi? Hein? Ou la idiote, j'ai pas pignon ou idiote. J'ai pas piscine à la pompière, c'est mon métier pas pour nier la nécessité. C'est pas spécial. Ok, just push your face in the pot. Face it about what? Or how? Okay, there's a stuff location. We shouldn't be grateful with the process case. We have video craft we put the stuff for sucks. Okay, this is another thing. I can't think myself about this kind of thing, right? We should be asked of a situation here. And I let myself like people think on the self-interest case seems to be very anchor for others. But I don't know if they know the risk is about, but that case is obligation, that's the risk is that we take around here. The self-existence is always kicking at the ugly heads around. Well, the animal living organism species are selfish by proxy, by automatic case. I don't see it. It's impossible actually if the all animal species would be just together delegate themselves out of existence. Right? We